In this video, I'll demonstrate how to address a suspension in the game Valorant. First, log into your account at the following link, support.valorant.riotgames.com. Once logged in, proceed to submit a ticket. Choose Discuss Personal Suspension or Restriction as the request type. In the subject, include My account got suspended/banned, along with your Riot ID. You can find your Riot ID in your Valorant account settings. In the description, politely request assistance in recovering your account. Select Discuss Game Ban as your inquiry. Specify the duration of the penalty, e.g., 1 to 7 days, and indicate that you're unsure why your account was suspended. Attach any relevant screenshots or ban notifications if available. Finally, click Submit to create a ticket for account recovery. Note that you can only recover your account if the suspension wasn't caused by your actions, such as using inappropriate language or third-party software. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.